Bah Hek Menteri ke Sarkar Jilla hinin kasi wadiban Plie By Rupang jaka thep bording na benta kitui kali ke pendangkam da ke bording bat ke thep ke electric vehicle fast charging ke badan hapua ke petrol pump NES hasna Mawsmai katai ke jaka thep bording hakikali ke pendangkam te ke electric kadai ke baningkong ke Jilla hakaba ke Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited hakaba kibla danlang hakatai kasngi pala Plie By kintup yuba MB Tongper EDC ke Ripoi Upangkash Das State Head Retail Northeast Lambert Kitra jakatai ke petrol pump Bah Hek habakren hakatai kasi ula ajing ro ikiti kinong penia jakatai ke petrol pump nampal bekilawan ra ikatai ke jaka ban pendap boarding na kabenta jakitai kali kiba pendakam deka boarding electric.
Minister from Meghalaya looking for veterinary, fishery and other departments. So I'm very thankful to Sripal ji. He's my good friend, my brother. We've been working together for many years. And also thank for our BPCL officials, Mr. Das, who is the heads of the BPCL in the entire Northeast State, and other officials who are present here today. So by introducing this EV, it will tremendously will reduce the pollutions in our states. As you know that Meghalaya is known as the tourism destinations. So the tourists, particularly the abroad tourists coming from outside the country, they are concerned about the health and environment. So by introducing this kind of the electric energy, it will give immense benefits for the environment. At the same time also will promote tourism in the state of Meghalaya.
Corporation Limited, we have launched 17 number of locations, new EV stations at our existing retail outlet. Actually, we have chosen some few major highway corridors like from Guwahati to Dibrugarh, and then from Guwahati to Srirampur, that is Bengal border, then Guwahati to North Lakhimpur. So these three major corridors we have identified retail outlets where fast charging EV stations is available. So there one vehicle for full charging it will take about 35 to 45 minutes time. And now today, Honorable Minister Sir is with us. We are going to launch the first EV charging station in Meghalaya at this retail outlet, that is NES Jurabad. After this launching, we'll step by step we'll extend our facility to Nongpur, then Mayong, then Shillong, then Joai, then it will go right up to Silchar, then it will also be extended up to Aizawl and then Agartala, like that. So this is very easy actually. There's a mobile app. In that mobile app there's a it's called Hello BPCL. So with the help of Hello BPCL mobile app, the customer can on his own, without having any help from anybody, can recharge his vehicle. There are options of say 50 rupees, 100 rupees, as much as he wants. So very easy, very convenient. So people will need not worry for EV owners. They need not worry about where I will charge my vehicle. It will be all across North states. It will be made available. Today the first station will be launched by Honorable Minister Sir here. So that is our plan.
So how about?
See, now the selling rate will be 22 rupees per unit. 22 rupees per unit. So if you want to charge say for 100 rupees, there in the mobile app you just put 100 rupees, then the vehicle will be charged only for 100 rupees automatically. So suppose your vehicle is already charged, fully charged, and you need not charge for 100 rupees, then what will happen? The balance amount will be refunded to your account. So it's like that.